So we've been to Kilifi for the past 3 days. We have been installing this. It's a 24 kilowatt system. So we have a day inverter 12 kilowatt and another day inverter same capacity 12 kilowatt, supporting a big school. 15 kilowatt storage lithium batteries, 555 each. You can be able to see they are all full. This is massive power. I've done automatic changeovers between KPLC. It's actually 3-phase there. You can be able to see that there. It is actually the 3-phase. So we have a 3-phase automatic changeover, and I also have a 30 kilowatt storage. So you have a total of 40. This is 15. That's 45 storage, and a capacity to produce 24 kilowatt. So it's a big school. We'll be able to show you, and call us to do such kind of projects for you. Yeah. So this is pure energy. Kuna stories potewa na stima tena. You support your system, your school, your home, every part of your business or any premises with solar. You can be able to see everything working perfectly. Everything working perfect.